Monday, start the week. Lots of fun and friends to meet. Off to school we sing and play, learn and laugh the whole long day. Tuesday, what a treat. Jump and dance on happy feet. Arts and crafts, colors so bright, making pictures pure delight. Wednesday, halfway there, reading books in our comfy chair. Story time with tales so grand, travel to a magic land. Thursday, almost done, counting stars and having fun. Numbers, letters, we all know, watch our minds and hearts both grow. Friday, time to cheer. Weekend fun is almost here. Games and songs, we laugh and sing. What a joy the week does bring. Saturday, time to rest. Family time is always best. Parks and picnics, out we go. Biking, hiking to and fro. Sunday, end the week. Quiet moments, nice and sweet. Baking treats and sharing love. Thankful for the week